Now dear student, we are going to discuss question number 6.28, and in this question it is given to you a trolley of mass 200 kilogram. Clear? So let's suppose I am assuming this is a trolley. Let's suppose this is a trolley. Clear? And in this question it is given a trolley of mass 200 kilogram move with a uniform speed. So let's suppose I am drawing trolley like this. Let's suppose this is trolley. Clear? And it is given in a question a trolley of mass 200 kilogram. So let's suppose I am taking mass capital M. This is 200 kilogram. It move with the uniform speed 36 km per hour. I am taking it V. Clear? So I am saying this is V. Clear? And having mass capital M. Okay, fine. A child on a mass 20 kilogram. So I am taking this is small m. Clear? That is 20 kilogram runs on a trolley from one end to other end 10 meter away with a speed of 4 meter per second relative to the trolley. Clear? So let's suppose here we have a child. Clear? This child is moving in this direction with certain velocity. Let's suppose I am taking this is small v. Clear? And let's suppose it reaches up to this point. Clear? And that distance is 10 meter. Clear? And it is given it a direction opposite to motion and jumps out of a trolley. What is final speed of a trolley? Okay. So dear student, if I first consider this child and this trolley as a system, can I write here initial momentum? Yes. Initial momentum we can say this is capital M plus small m and it is multiplied with this capital V. Clear? So capital M is given 20. Mass of this child, this is given to you a child of mass 20 and this is 200. Clear? So this is 200 plus 20 and multiplied with V. Clear? V is given to you in 36 km per hour. You can convert into meter per second. I can say this is equal to 36 into 5 by 18. You can say this is 10 meter per second. So I can say this one is 10. From here you can say you are getting 2200. This is Newton meter. Clear? So initial momentum is given to you 2200 Newton meter. Clear to everyone? Now if I talk about final momentum. Clear? So now let us try to understand. It is given in a question that this child is having speed 4 meter per second with respect to trolley. Clear? So first I am writing here velocity of a child with respect to trolley. So I can say this is equal to velocity of child with respect to ground minus velocity of trolley with respect to ground. Clear? Now let's suppose with this child move from this end to this end and then jump out. Clear? So at that time we can say this value is given to you 4.